Physical sunscreen, also known as mineral sunscreens. These are active mineral ingredients like titanium oxide or zinc oxide, which actually sit on the top layer of the skin and reflect the sun rays. Try out few sunscreens because unless you don't enjoy using it, you're definitely not going to use it enough. Hi, I'm Dr. Patul Patel, the Medical Director of the Bombay Skin Clinic, and you're watching me on Gracia. I'm here to demystify some common terms in sunscreen. It's very important to know these terms so that you can choose a sunscreen that can best suit your skin type. The most common term is SPF. It stands for Sun Protection Factor. It measures how well a sunscreen can protect your skin from UVB rays. High SPF indicates a higher percentage of protection in your skin, but it does not mean that you do not reapply your sunscreen. So if you're using an SPF 30 or an SPF 50, SPF 50 is far better when you are going out on a sun beach holiday where the chances of burns are more, or after a chemical peel or a laser treatment. Broad spectrum, it means that it protects you both from UVA and UVB. UVA rays are more chances of causing aging or sun damage, while UVB rays cause more chance of burns. In Indian skin, we are more prone to sun damage rather than burns, so we need to use any sunscreen which has a more protection against UVA rather than UVB. So you need to choose a sunscreen which has a broad spectrum sunscreen so it can protect you from both. PA++ is a rating used to measure the level of protection from UVA rays. So if you have a PA++, 3+ is fine, that's a great sunscreen for you because it will protect you from long-term skin aging and sun damage, which is really important for an Indian skin. Hypoallergenic. This term is very important for everyone who has sensitive skin because it reduces the risk of any kind of allergic reaction. Water resistant sunscreen. This is great for people who swim or sweat or in the gym. Sunscreen maintains the SPF protection for a certain period of time while you are sweating or swimming. However, they are not entirely waterproof, so make sure that you do reapply it every 4 hours. Chemical sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens absorb the UV radiations through their chemical ingredients and then they release the heat throughout from the skin. So a chemical sunscreen could be an avobenzone or an oxybenzone. They do feel lighter on the skin and they should be used when you are going for a really a holiday, or when you're going in a place which is very hot and humid. And in summers, you definitely need to use the chemical sunscreen too. Physical sunscreen, also known as mineral sunscreens. These are active mineral ingredients like titanium oxide or zinc oxide, which actually sit on the top layer of the skin and reflect the sun rays. These are great for children and for infants after the age of 6 to 8 months can use a physical sunscreen on the hands and legs, prevent the face usage. These are some common terms that you need to know of, but the best way to know if you like your sunscreen is to try out few sunscreens because unless you don't enjoy using it, you're definitely not going to use it enough. And remember, 2 fingertip unit rule is the key. So you need to use a full 2 fingertip unit, tap it on your face and apply it in a way where you will feel comfortable. And if you feel a little bit greasy, you can also use like an illuminating powder or a compact powder to dab on your face and enjoy your sunscreen and fall in love with it.